Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. Start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so let me choose this one. And now let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. And all you have to do is to either tap on the circle or just tap on add picture. And now we will be transferred to those three different categories. So let's start with the illustrations. Basically, if you cannot take a photo of the person right now, or you do not have any kind of photo of him or her, you can choose something from the kind of pre-installed online illustrations. So you can choose something from those really cute graphics. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something matching for the person. Of course, Google Photos, where you've got your backed up pictures, and the device photos. So here we've got also two sections. We can enter the gallery, and of course we can choose something from previously taken photos, or tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. I will choose something from the gallery. Let me choose this really beautiful and sweet quokka. So here we've got the photo. As you can see, we can change the position of it. We can also zoom it in or out. And thanks to this, we can decide what we'll see after saving the whole contact, because basically this whole area is responsible for it. So just tap on choose if you're ready after framing and everything. And this is how our contact will look like. So if you're sure that you're happy with your choice, just tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got our contact. Of course, you'll be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.